some garlic, and then turmeric. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, and in this channel I bring you over 2 decades of experience in area of the nutrition and bone research and pharmaceutical industry to help you to live longer and healthier and happier, especially if you are around my age, over 50 years old. In today's video, I want to share with you how I want to prepare a new sauerkraut with a twist, which I believe is much healthier and definitely more tastier and much cheaper than if you buy it from stores. And therefore, if you are interested to improving your health gut and you're passionate of the trying new healthy but tasty food, and you want to help yourself to have better overall vitality, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel and put that notification bell as well. Then, without any further delay, let's see how I can prepare this sauerkraut, and hopefully that motivate you make it as well. Planning to make a sauerkraut. For herbs, I'm going to use dill, chili, some garlic, and then turmeric and black pepper. We have 2 carrots, 1 apple. I'm going to add some pear. Pear has a lot of good fibers. This time I'm going to use broccoli to see how that goes. Celery, red cabbage and white cabbage, and I was going to chop them, and of course the iced salt or cooking salt. Therefore, I'm going to starting with chopping those cabbage and other ingredient, put it in the ceramic bowl here. I have about 300 grams of the red cabbage and 400 grams of the white cabbage, and that's 300 grams of the broccoli. Let's start to chopping them. Now I chopped the cabbage. Now other ingredient, celery again, chili. Carrots, we just grind the garlic. I'm going to use the apple with the skin. Pears have a lot of good fiber. It's very good for your digestive systems. Have pears every day. I use half a bunch of the dill. Then my chili. This is mild. It's not that hot. I'm just gonna take the seed out. Garlic, I'm gonna just skin them and use garlic press. Honestly, it doesn't take that long to prepare sauerkraut, and it's wonderful addition to your food. Or you can mix it with salad and as a side dish, or when you're making sandwich. I'm gonna add turmeric and some black pepper. Usually it's good to mix them up because that helps. Turmeric have a lot of, again, nutritional benefit, and when you add black pepper, I add 2, and I add 2 tablespoons of the black pepper. It helps to absorb by our body. And now I'm going to add salt. We have roughly about 2 kilograms of the ingredient, and for each kilograms I'm going to add 20 grams of the iodized or cooking salt here. We're going to add it to the mix and start mixing all of the ingredients together. Look good. Okay, I'll leave it for half an hour and we come back to it. Sterilize 2 jars in the oven. I had a bit of sauerkraut from past. In order to accelerate fermentation, especially now in cooler weather, I'm also going to mix that one with this to give a bit of kick start, and just mix them up. Again, packing a bit, not too much. And I have 2 sticks. I'm gonna put over a vegetable, which I sterilize them with boiled water. Wow. And as you can see, there's not enough water here. We have a bit of water here. I boiled some water which is a bit cool. I'm gonna add here, and I add it to our vegetable to cover just above this vegetable. Therefore I'm gonna add enough water to all of the vegetable not exposed to air. Let it a bit cool. Therefore I top it up to just cover all of the vegetable, but just a bit too hot now. This is good. As time passes, the more juice gonna release. If I don't want too much water, I can add the rest. Maybe I just tip it up here for hopefully a couple of week or so. We have sauerkraut done for tonight. Just as the vegetable is fermented, it produces a lot of gas. Ideally, you want to get rid of those gas, and the best way I found to do it is using a wooden skewers and try to push it through, get rid of the bubbles. As you can see, it's quite good. The spot is not that warm. We have a lot of activity, which is a good sign. Day 4, as you can see, there's a fair bit of bubble. I'm going to just get rid of the air bubble. Add apple as well as pears. The fermentation happen much faster, which should give a bit of much more tangy to our sauerkraut, and there's red color you can see in that kind of juice in the top is caused by red cabbage. I sterilize a few jars, which I'll put them in oven around 200 degrees for 15 minutes. I'm gonna remove those bottle which was creating weight. Just put it there and start to jarring our sauerkraut to remove those plastic. Color, beautiful. In the end, I want to thank you all for giving your time again and watching this video, and hopefully you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friend as well. Again, I want to highlight this is not just like another recipe for a food. It's more than food. It's actually not only helps your taste bud, it helps you with your microbiome and make your gut much healthier and function better. As a result, you have better immune systems. Those fermentation provide you with extra enzyme and vitamin, which helps your overall well-being, and also have a lot of anti-inflammatory compound in that sauerkraut. Therefore, I highly encourage you to make it, and if you decide to make it, please share the comments what you thought, and even take a photo and send it to me as well. I love to see you trying those practical tips which I give you, and hopefully by implementing those practical tips you feel the benefit in overall your health and happiness, and you'll become a stronger and better person as well. In the end, again, I encourage you all to eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.